I would normally pick this lock, but you got a key that's not working in it, huh?
Yeah, this is literally like, you can feel there's nothing happening.
No play? Okay, there's a plastic clip inside. Yeah, that rod must be broken.
Yeah.
All right, hang on to that. We'll just...
And I mean, this has never worked since I had it, but I mean, I never really tried to just replace the battery or anything.
You didn't try to replace the battery?
I've never ever tried to replace the battery, so I don't even know if that might actually be like a quick...
Let's try it. Okay, there's her battery. 32. Plus side down. Anything? Oh, hold on. Let's see if it's got a signal. Okay, we're not getting a frequency. Let's make sure all these things are touching. Just because that battery really goes. I don't know why. I think that battery goes in the other way, but no juice. Put hers back in. Oh, we got a frequency. All right, this fob is bad. Okay, so yeah, the fob itself is bad. It only gives a frequency on the alarm button, but the other two buttons don't give a frequency. So
Yeah, because the alarm will go off every once in a while, just when I like unlock it with the key.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So I bought this car like 3 years ago at an auction.
Nice.
$1,800. I mean, I can't.
It looks like a nice car.
It's not a bad car. It's just it's obviously not a pleasant fucking thing.
Yeah, I'll give you my website where you can buy the remote on.
Okay.
And then we'll get it done for you.
And then how much does it cost typically to repair the...
Hold on 1 second. That's the window? That should be the door.
Yeah.
Wrong side, huh?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to take a look at it. I think I have to pull that one out or push it in. Which way? Oh yeah, I got it.
I got you.
I got it opened already.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah. Yeah.
Go ahead and put the key in the...
Yeah.
Cool. As the remote goes, there's a website.
Okay.
It's called programyourremote.com. What kind of car is this? It's
Trailblazer.
Chevy Trailblazer. What year?
It is 2003.
What's yours? Okay.
2002, sorry.
Chevy. So this is how you can program the remote.
Okay.
All right. And I could just send you that.
Can you send me that to that phone number? And then it's...
And then I'll give you my website where you can buy the remote. They're not expensive. They're like less than $20.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah.
Oh.